Alright guys, as you can see, my big rock is missing a wheel. We messed up these threads. The wheel fell off the last time I ran it, and it messed up these threads. I have the parts, so let's go ahead and get this vehicle fixed and back out there to have some fun with it. Oh man, you know we gotta have the good stuff. We out here wrenching on some cars. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, this one's been sitting here for a good minute. Just been busy reviewing cars and other stuff has happened, and you know, unfortunately sometimes these things kind of get put off. Alrighty, oh golly. Oh. Man, guess we're gonna have to heat this one up, huh? Like this little torch got at Harbor Freight. There we go. Sometimes all you need is a little heat, a little persuasion. Yeah, I was just watching at one of our good viewers there, Randy, Working Man RC, and he had his Typhon out, and he lost the nut. He lost his nut, man. And I was like, damn, man, I need to get the big rock out there and going again. Woo! That's the problem. This thing is hot, hot, hot. So I also want to thank our friend Tyson there, because, you know, one of the hard things with this big rock is the wheels are so, they're so dished. And I think that's what happened. Whenever I put the wheel nut back on here, I think I missed and I stripped it out, and Tyson sent me a big care package a while back, and it had these M2C nuts in there. So I think these should work really good because they're deep and they should fit in there. I got the other parts here to fix this RC. So check this out too. Tyson makes a wheelie bar for the big rock. Haha, that is freaking awesome. Nice, flexible, works really, really well. So if you need any parts for your RC, go check out Tyson at Garage Life RC. And boom, just like that, we got it off. All right, everybody, I'm not going to bore you with something pretty simple like this, putting this all together. I think most people know how this goes. So it was just dawned on me. Get this bag of wheel nuts. I'm not gonna need it because I got these other ones that are better. But that's okay. Don't forget to put just a moderate amount of Loctite on there. Don't go crazy like Arma did. And two, this is just really to help hold this pin in, so that when you take the wheel off, it doesn't go flying anywhere. So you really don't need to wrench on it. You don't need to go crazy with that. Oh, look at that. The big rock is complete again. It's been sitting on my shelf with 3 wheels for quite a while. Oh, look at that. Is looking nice. That is looking nice. Oh yeah, little accent. See, these wheels are so dished, it makes it hard to get, even trying to get the nut out of there. Which, if you mess that up, then yeah, you can certainly, like I did, messed up the threads. Which I don't even remember taking the wheels off of this thing, but maybe I did. Alright everyone, I'm going to go ahead and get these really cool M2C wheel nuts on here. Man, we're going to go out there and have some fun with the big rock. Man, check out the lights. And this thing has a really cool light kit. It was back ordered for a year when these things first came out. But yeah, I just thought about it. Normally, I put the big rock in a parking lot and I like to rip through there, but then I thought about, man, this thing would really love this spot because it is big and powerful enough to handle this big grass. Now, I decided to make this a chat and bash. I know it didn't start out that way, and I thought about it when I was talking about, hey, Randy Mann's working RC. I was watching one of his videos, and I want to say, I'm pretty sure I got more people. 141.8 Fahrenheit. People that watch and comment probably have channels. I know, like Suryo. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Like Suryo RC, he's got a channel. And I'm just not really aware of a lot. I don't really ever click on anybody's links unless maybe they leave like a really ignorant comment. Not saying that those guys do, but I'm saying if somebody does, then I click on their thing to even just see if they have a channel. Like they'll be running off about how expert they are, and then I find out they don't even have a channel or an RC. But I want to dedicate this video here to the small channels. So this is your chance to give yourself a shout out. Normally YouTube, or I even have it set up where hyperlinks are held. So if you leave a hyperlink to your channel, I will approve it. It might not show up right away, but yeah, you know, I was a small channel once, and I know how it's, you know. Oh, this thing is so much fun. This thing, it's RC. Whoa. And I know there's some small channels out there that, you know, just deserve, or, you know, need a little a break out there. So this is your chance. I'm going to try to help out the smaller channels, like, you know, 1,000 or less. I'm not going to go through and see, but I mean, come on, if you got 3, 4, 5,000, I wouldn't really say you're a small channel. But let's, you know, give your chance, and hopefully I encourage anybody watching, go through the comments and even come back to this video at some point, and maybe you'll find another channel that you like. There is plenty to go around on YouTube. Now, I understand why larger channels don't really want to help so much and give shout outs, because if you do it for one person, then you got 50 others that are going to want it, and that's going to be about all that you're doing is shout outs. Then two, you know, there's a lot of time, effort, and you know, that goes into building a channel. And I don't want to say, you know, people need to do their dues, but you kind of have to. Yeah, you should do your dues and work your way up, but that doesn't mean that you can't get helped from time to time. That's why I'm just going to do it as a, you know, you guys shout yourself out. That way I'm not missing anybody, and I'm not singling anybody out, because I'm sure there's channels out there I have no idea exist. Like I said, I'd seen Randy, man, he leaves comments all the time. I didn't realize he had a channel. I was just thumbing through YouTube, and I see this RC thing, and I'm like, oh, and I'm like, hey, wait a minute. I know this person. I've also, you know, I do know somebody too that was helping out a smaller channel, helping them bust 1,000, and once that person kind of got their foot in the door and they broke 1,000 and they gained traction, they kind of started to try to discredit the other channel, and that's another reason that a larger channel may be not so eager to throw so effort towards another channel, because then you know, there's a bit of jealousy, I think, on even some of the larger channels, or even some of the small channels, like, or I'll just say channels in general. They get mad as soon as somebody gets an RC for review. Oh, you're a shrill, you got something to. But meanwhile, you know, they were offered an RC they would take it. My only issue with a channel taking an RC is them not being honest and trying to glance over defects. Like we saw that with the Max Slash. Some channels really painted it as the best thing ever, and other channels like me pointed out deficiencies in it. Now, I'm not here to blast or nitpick a RC if it's good, but you know, something like this Big Rock, you know, if you're gonna spend $600, $700, $800 on an RC, especially, yeah, gonna be a bit rougher on it. It's not $100 RC or $150. Those I won't, you know, I aren't gonna have the craziest expectations for them. But, you know, if something's still bad, we'll mention it. But something like this, the Big Rock, if I was driving it like this and it was flipping over left and right and it wasn't steering right, then yeah, I would have said that. And that's, you know, we had with the Max Slash. Now when this Big Rock came out, we had that little glitch with the ESC. And it was brought to light, and, you know, arrmarc got it fixed. And yeah, man, she is wonderful. I really do love this RC. Really loving those M2C nuts.
D's nuts.
They really make getting the wheels on here really easy. Man, I like that. So yeah, I want to help out the small channels. This is your chance to give yourself a shout out. Like I said, normally hyperlinks and that, I don't allow it. YouTube always puts it into the hold for later. So I'll have to go through. And I would say don't single out a single video. If you're going to post your channel, don't single out like a single video. Put the home page to your whole channel. That way people can go through and maybe see what you got. Oh, man. Usually I kind of reserve this spot here for like the rally cars and that, but yeah, I'm so glad I took the Big Rock over here, man. This, yeah, I got that Turnigy Rapid battery in here too, man. Damn, that thing's got some power. I'll leave a link in the video description where you can buy this RC and that battery if you're all interested. I can't say I would really recommend this IXSR. I went to take this thing out, and this is the second time I've had a major issue with this transmitter. I came in there and there's 2 of every car in here now. There was 2 Big Rocks, 2 Felonies, 2. And I just recently had this out with the Limitless. No problem. Turned it off, went home. I haven't done anything. Yes, and I did do the... This does have the most recent software on it, but I went to go turn on the Big Rock and there was 2 Big Rocks and neither one of them synced up to the RC. So then I had to go unbolt the transmitter and rebind it. Oops. Oh man, anyway, yeah, so kind of made this, well, I mean, you know, I guess it's a chat and it's probably something we would do anyhow. We normally just come out here and talk about the RC as I'm driving it, which I've done, but I've also, like I said, want to give a shout out to the small channels. I know there's some good channels out there that just deserve that boost. Oh man, the Big Rock. Love that RC. All right, so the best thing I could tell small channels is just stick with it, plug along, critique your stuff as hard as you can. Pretend you're watching somebody else's video and you listen to yourself and critique yourself and just work on it. Your first videos are gonna suck. I think we all do. If you're not, then hey, you're way ahead of the game. But yeah, just plug along, stick with it. You know, I'm willing to do this because I have a different perspective on YouTube. I'm a disabled vet. I have a lot of back pain. RCs come out here, give me a channel, come out here and just have some fun. Enjoy the hobby. I love sharing my experience with it, and I love watching the channel grow. I do enjoy it, but I'm not it's not like my number one goal in life. I'm not trying to make a living off of YouTube, so I know there's channels out there that, and there's nothing wrong with it. There's channels out there that would love for this to become their job and their income, and hey, more power to you. That's great. It's good to have goals, and if I can help, okay, I'm gonna try, because like I said, I'm not in competition with anybody. You know, if my channel gets 100,000, that would be freaking awesome. I would love that, love to get that little YouTube plaque. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, I'm not here for the money. I'm just here to share the love of the hobby. And you guys that like, share, comment, subscribe, you guys that use like the links to Tower and A-Main and stuff and buy these RCs, thank you so much. It really helps me out. I'm retired. That's all. The only income I have is my retirement from the Army. And a couple of bucks off of YouTube, not a whole lot. So you guys really help me buy these RCs to keep the channel going. And you know, I want to pay it forward a little bit and help some of the small channels out. So keep up the good work, guys. Keep plugging along. Your channel will grow. Some faster than others, you know, this, you know, no rhyme or reason to it, but just plug along, work on it, critique yourself, and, you know, like I said, leave a link to your channel down below. I will approve it. This is your one time to give yourself a shout out. But yeah, the big rock, man, let me know what you think of the big rock down there. Do you like it? Is it something that you want? Is it something that you have or had? All right, well, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you next one.